Toyota is adding yet another SUV to its lineup, and this one will wear the Crown Signia nameplate. As a crossover sibling to the Crown sedan, it replaces the Venza as Toyota's two-row, mid-size offering. A hybrid powertrain is the only choice, offering 243 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive. It provides more luxurious interior finishings than other Toyota models, with nicer materials and an upscale design, and it promises both more space and more capability, including towing, than the Venza. We expect it to cost significantly more as a result, however, and many premium features are available as options. Despite its luxurious bent, the Crown Signia will compete with mainstream models such as the Honda Passport, the Hyundai Santa Fe, and the Nissan Murano. The Crown Signia is a new offering, and it will fit into the Toyota lineup in a similar position as the Venza that it replaces. Larger than the compact RAV4 but smaller than the three-row Highlander, it will likely be more expensive than both. The price of the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is expected to start around $46,000 and go up to $53,000 depending on the trim and options. The Crown Signia will be offered in both XLE and Limited trim levels, and we're basing our pricing estimates on the assumption that the SUV version will cost more than the Crown sedan. We think the Limited trim will be the one to get, as it adds leather upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, 21-inch wheels, heated rear seats, and an 11-speaker JBL stereo system. The Crown Signia comes with an all-wheel drive hybrid powertrain. It uses a 2.5-litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder gasoline engine and 3 electric motors. This produces a total of 243 horsepower, and a continuously variable automatic transmission is standard. We haven't yet driven or tested a Crown Signia, so we don't know what its acceleration performance will be like, but we expect it to perform similarly to the Crown sedan's base 236 horsepower AWD hybrid setup. That model got to 60 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds in our testing. Neither Toyota nor the EPA have released fuel economy estimates for the Crown Signia. We expect it to come close to 40 miles per gallon in combined driving. Regardless of where the final numbers land, it will likely be far more fuel efficient than the non-hybrid offerings in the mid-size SUV segment. When we get a chance, we'll take it on our 75-mile-per-hour fuel economy route and update this story with real-world test results. The Crown Signia's interior is similar to the Crown sedans, with nice materials and a pleasant-looking dashboard design. The standard upholstery is a combination of cloth and vinyl in the XLE model, but the Limited upgrades to leather seats. The two-row seating setup offers space for 5 passengers, and there's a generously sized cargo area that expands when you fold the rear seats. A panoramic sunroof is optional and makes for an airy feel, and both tan and black interior color options are available. A 12.3-inch touchscreen is standard across the board, as is a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. The central touchscreen offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus many other connectivity features including Wi-Fi, over-the-air updates, and a voice assistant. The XLE trim comes with a 6-speaker stereo, but upgrading to the Limited swaps in an 11-speaker stereo tuned by JBL. Most of Toyota's latest driver assistance features are standard equipment on the Crown Signia. All models come equipped with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. For more information about the Crown Signia's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control. The Crown Signia comes with the same warranty coverage as other Toyota models, which isn't as generous as rivals from Hyundai and Kia. Toyota covers the Crown Signia's maintenance for the first 2 years or 25,000 miles, which is a nice benefit that's not standard on other mid-size crossovers. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Hybrid components are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 2 years or 25,000 miles.